President Chief Executive Philippines Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. Chief of Staff General Romeo S. Bronis Jr. Secretary of the DND Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr. Commander of Prescom Mayor General Ramon P. Zacala. Commander of 7RCDG Corporal Raimundo Parañez. Infantry General Staff Corps Philippine Army. 702 CDC Director Corporal Edwin P. Paredes. Infantry General Staff Corps Philippine Army. Commandant Colonel Wendell D. Paredes, Philippine Army retired. Assistant Commandant Second Lieutenant Eduardo L. Mangananaw, Philippine Army Reserve. Admin NCO Sergeant Joseph Christian Ramos, Infantry Philippine Army. NSTP Director Ronnie D. Cabañas. NSTP Coordinator John Francis Batuhanon Arcrim. Vice President Dr. Anthony M. Piñaso. Campus Director Dr. Dean F. Niebera. Sergeant Manuel Arsenio R. Rigaspe, Infantry Philippine Army. Sergeant Arnel Bukil, Philippine Army Reserve. Sergeant Rosiller James Iludar, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Jonas B. Nimelar, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Aaron Vincent Odapar, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Army I. Casanova, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Queenie Midi Lagamon, Philippine Army Reserve. Private John Vincent H. Simlade Reserve, Philippine. Private John Ricci Dagangon, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Godfrey P. Argon, Philippine Army Reserve. Corps Commander Cadet Colonel Aaron Joas G. Canin, First Class. XO Adjutant Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Franklin D. Lanyosa, First Class. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel IBM Batuhano Betalmos, First Class. Cadet Colonel Lieutenant Umangit, First Class. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Leonard D. Duisabas, First Class. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jesus Dayan Quijada, First Class. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel J.C. Joel Arbanan, First Class.